I'm Tony. I'm 6 years old. Today I'm going to read a story named Beautiful Birds. Here you can see beautiful bird. Yeah, birds. Okay. First, chapter 1. Meet the bird. Eagle, look, what is that rolling through the bright blue sky? It is a beautiful bird. Sorry. Okay. Feather, beak, wings, leg. Crumble. Facts. Birds are soaring. Okay. Birds are warm-blooded. A bird's body temperature stays the same no matter how warm or cold is outside. How can you tell if something is a bird or the only animals that have feathers? All birds also have 2 wings, 2 legs, and a beak. King penguin. Facts. No, all flying creatures are birds, bats, or mammals. They have hair, not feathers. Most birds can fly, but not all of them. Penguins are flightless. They use their wings as flippers to swim through the water. Peacock. Close up. A peacock looks like this close up. There are about 1,000 different kinds of birds. They live all over the world. Birds come in every color. It's policy imagine. Okay, next is chapter 2. Bird skull. An owl fences on a snake. Birds have expanded eyesight. They use their eyes to spot food. Some eat plants. Some eat fruit. Some eat other creatures, including bugs, mice, and snakes. Warbler. Tweet, duck, quack, touchka. Squawk. Parrot. Hello. What? Oh boy. Parrot. I don't see any parrot in my life before. Now I can see a parrot in my life. Or is you can say hello, coffee. Someone, of course. Very creepy. Parrot makes sound to communicate with other birds. Parrot can even be translated to rabbit word. Reptile word. They look funny. Why do birds fly like this in a pointing way? Racing geese fly together in a V shape. A V shape? Hey, I'm wrong here. Not a V shape. So birds migrate. They travel a long distance every year. They fly to cool place for the summer and warm place from the winter. Facts. All birds lay eggs. A mama rodent feeds a grasshopper to their chick. Many birds build nests. Nests are a perfect place to lay eggs. They are also a perfect place to rest chicks. Chapter 3. Amazing Bird. 40 feet long. Oh, this bird is 30 feet long. 13 feet long. Migrant duck. Want to meet some amazing bird? Migrant duck have wingspan of up to 13 feet. Wow, that is wonder that a bus. That's crazy. I didn't heard about Mangrass dog before. Speed car. Person 25% and MF. Cheetah 7%. Eagle-eyed falcon 9. Oh wait, that is 19%. Oh my God! That was a fastest bird I ever heard about before. Ooh. Praying falcons are the fastest flyers. They can go 19 miles per hour. That is faster than a cheetah and way faster than a quickest person ever.
Đọc nhanh lên.
Ostrich hen. Oh my God, ostrich lay a bigger egg. Ostrich lay the largest egg of any bird. Ostriches are the biggest birds. They can grow to be 9 feet tall. An ostrich would even tower over the tallest basketball player in the world. Hummingbird. Facts. Some hummingbirds are just 2 inches long. This special bird can hover in the air. The smallest birds are hummingbird. Sometimes these tiny wonders fly into here to spend nectar from flowers. There are so many beautiful birds to see. You only have to look around. And this is the end of the book. And there's a question down here. I will read the question for you, and I will answer this to you, and you will answer it and write it in this comment. Okay. Can you share 3 facts about birds? And you can share it if the bird can fly, and facts is ostrich lays a larger egg of any bird. That was 3 facts. Now let's go to question number 2. Can you think of 3 great words to describe birds? Oh yeah, I can do that. Communicate, hover, migrate. Oh, that's 3. Okay. Next is, which bird in this book is your very favorite? Tell why. My favorite bird in this book is the king penguin.